everyone. You are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. Madra of Rajma and Gucci will be served to PM Modi in Himachal Pradesh. Monkeypox cases have crossed 70,000. WHO warned for the most difficult times. Farmer leader shot dead in Kashipur. Mahal Singh was reading newspaper outside the house. India beat Thailand by 74 runs, reached the final for the 8th time in a row. Now news in details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi can taste the famous delicious of Chamba like Rajma and Gucci ka Madra. Madra will be served to them before or after the 2.5 hour program. The BJP district management has made preparations at its level. The Prime Minister has already mentioned about Himachali cuisine in his rallies. PM Modi will address a public meeting in the historic Chaugan of Chamba. For this, he will reach at 10:45 am on Thursday. They have a 2.5 hour program. BJP State General Secretary Tilok Kapoor and District President Jasbir Naqbal said that the Prime Minister has a special attachment to Devbhoomi Himachal. He has mentioned about going to Chamba many times before. He also keeps mentioning Himachali cuisine in his rallies. The Supreme Court on Thursday delivered its verdict on various petitions challenging the Karnataka High Court order upholding the ban on the hijab in educational institutions. The opinion of both of the judges differed in this matter. While Justice Hemant Gupta dismissed the appeal against the ban by the upholding the Karnataka High Court's decision in this matter, a bench of second judge Sudhanshu Dhulia expressed his opposite opinion. Since the judges could not reach a consensus in this matter, the matter has been forwarded to the Chief Justice. The matter will now be heard by a larger bench. Significantly, the Karnataka High Court had refused to lift the ban imposed by the state government on wearing hijab in educational institutions. After hearing the argument of the both sides on the issue for 10 days, completed the hearing on September 22 and reserved its decision. A massive fire broke out in the studio of its movies in the Kudghat area of the Kolkata this morning. After getting information about the incident, 13 fire tenders reached the spot and after a lot of effort, the fire was doused. Giving the information about the incident, a fire bridge official said that no one was injured in the fire that broke out at 6:41 am. The fire which broke out in the godown on the congested Baburao Ghosh Road in the Toligunge was brought under control after an hour-long effort, the official said. He said that cause of fire was yet to be ascertained. Now some international news. There is a tremendous increasing in the case of monkeypox around the world. According to the World Health Organization, the number of cases related to monkeypox has crossed 70,000 globally. With this, the WHO warned that in the coming times, the whole world may have to face difficulties due to this virus. Therefore, people should not stop taking precautions even after seeing a decline in its cases. He said that while the cases of monkeypox are decreasing worldwide at this time, there are 21 countries where cases have been increasing in the last 1 week, especially in countries located in the American continent, where 90% of the total cases worldwide have been found. In the next slide, Pakistan's Nefarious Act has been once again come to the force in the United Nations General Assembly, and for this India has once again lashed out. In fact, the issue of Ukraine-Russia war was going on the General Assembly and the Pakistani diplomat Munir Akram was constantly comparing the situation in Kashmir with the Russo-Ukraine war. After this, India's permanent representative of the United Nations, Ruchira Kamboj, lashed out fiercely. Ruchira Kamboj said that the serious issue like Ukraine and Russia war are being debated in the United Nations General Assembly, but we are surprised that again with this forum is being measured by a delegation. Reveal and meaningless remarks are being made against my country. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. A farmer leader was shot dead in Kashipur, Uttarakhand. The miscreants who came on the bike opened fire on the farmer leader and fled. Mahal Singh, at 17, has been strong art leader of Congress. Farmer leader Mahal Singh, resident of village Judka number 1 of the Kundeshwari, was killed by bike riders by firing 5 rounds. The attackers fled after committing the crime. Sensation has spread in the area after the incident. The police who reached the spot is engaged in the investigation of the matter. At the same time, there has been a huge crowd outside Mahal Singh's house after the incident. Jutka number of 2 residents Mahal Singh, 70, was reading a newspaper sitting outside his house on Thursday morning. In the meantime, Mass Open arrived here on 2 bikes. Due to bad weather, the rescue operation of the climber not be carried out on a Wednesday as well. 2 climbers are still missing, while body of 1 climber could not brought for advanced base camp at Matli helipad. The search operation for the missing climbers in the Dokrani Bamkat Glacier area could not go on for the second consecutive day on Wednesday. On October 4, 29 climbers went missing in the avalanche accident. To search for the climber, SDRF, ITBP, HAS and Army had started the rescue at the incident site from October 6. The rescue operation has been affected due to inclement weather for the last 2 days. 1 body could not brought from the advanced base camp to Matli helipad. A total of 27 bodies has been recovered, out of which 26 bodies have been handed over the relatives. Kaun Banega Crorepati is one of the such reality show which is associated with people's emotion. Ever since show has started, the people of India yearn to come on this platform. For many people, this platform proved to be biggest turning point of their life as they managed to change their future with the prize money that they win. Amitabh Bachchan is going to be seen asking the contestant a question about 2-time Grammy Award nominated K-pop Korean pop music group episode that airs on Thursday. In the promo video of the show, Big B asked the contestant a question for rupees 5,000. India defeated Thailand by 74 runs in the semi-final match of the Women's Asia Cup in India. Thailand won the toss and decided to bowl first. Batting first, India set a target of 149 runs in front of Thailand. In response, Thailand's team could not only score 74 runs and lost the match. India has made it final of the Women's Asia Cup for the 8th time in a row. Thailand's 9th wicket has fallen on the score of 63 runs. Sneh Rana gets Bochatam out ball. Bochatam scored 21 runs in 29 ball. Thailand scored 5 for 63 after 17 over. Now India victory is almost certain. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.